Okay, so for this demo video, I'm going to show you how to add this map over here. So when you add a map here, you click on it, it shows your house in the map. Okay, so to add a map to your VR tour, okay, from your dashboard area, go to virtual tour, go to list tour. So over here, you need to select which VR tour you want to add a map to. So I'm using demo 01, so I click on edit. So after I click on edit, I click on map. This after click on map over here, you see there's a plus icon, there's a bulb icon. So bulb icon is for you to create map in bulb, but I'm not going to create in bulb, I'm going to create to only one single VR tour. So I click on plus. So I click on plus, I'm going to give the map a name. So I call it the demo map creation. Okay, so over here I need to choose map. Then after that, click on create. Okay, so now the map is created. So over here we can actually do the setting. We can change the color for the indicator. We can change the size. Okay, default view you can just put to street or satellite. Both no difference. Okay, so I'm going to first find my location. Okay, so we just go to our position here, then we just click plus. Okay, so we can select which room, so I just put the living room, then we click create. Okay, so now it's created. Let's position it at over here, so you can zoom in to find the exact position. Okay, let's put a swimming pool here. Okay, so when you find your location, you will auto calculate your coordinates on the map. So we have a longitude and a latitude auto calculated. Okay, so after this, just need to click save. So after I click save, you need to go to this editor UI to enable the map indicator. Okay, so when you go to here, okay, initially the map indicator is invisible. Okay, it's hidden. So we need to click on it. Then we initially will be hidden. You won't be able to see it. So you need to make it visible by choosing visible minimize or visible open. So usually we use visible minimize. So the user will have to click on it in order to open the map. If you put visible open, the map will be already open when the user visits your VR tour, which is what we do want. So we put minimize. Okay, then over here we can change the color. Can put it something more striking. Okay, maybe something not dark. Okay, let's put blue. So this one will be the map default color. This one is hover over color. So when the mouse hover over, it will change color. Okay, that now is white. So let's put something like this. Okay. Okay, so red color. Okay, so I put it in green. Okay, so now it's in green. So we hover over, change to this green color. Okay, I'm not sure why is this changed to white. Let's put it back. This is how you make it visible. And next, we need to go to room. So we need to save it first. So after save, we need to go to room. So when we go to room, we select the room here. This is the room where we add the map to. So we select edit. Then we go to preview. So we go to preview, we go to north. then we set the north position. Say for example, the room here is facing north, is this direction, so we just move to here, then we click set. Okay, then we go to map. So the map will show you is at the north position. Okay, so this is how you set the map. Okay, so now let's click save. Okay, so after you click save, the next thing we can do is to preview it. So we go to list tour, then we go to this one, which this one is the one that we add the map to. Then we go to publish, then we go to the share link, right click, copy, open a new browser, paste the link, press enter. So after you press enter, you see the map over here, which we create. We actually make it visible earlier. We click on it. So over here you can see the map. Okay, so actually we add the map to the living room 2. So that's one. So we can go to living room 2. Okay, so over here then you will see the map. Okay, so you can add to whichever room you want. So for me, I add it to this room number 2. So that's why. Okay, so with this map here, it can show you where are you facing. Okay, so right now if I put the room face this direction, that means I'm facing this Yishun Community Hospital. So if I move, now I face here, I'm facing this A and C brace duct. Okay, if I want to know where is the MRT station, see this is the MRT station, so I just move this to make this blue indicator point to Yishun MRT. So if I move like this, okay, so you see the move indicator is facing the MRT station, and this MRT station is at this direction. Okay, so this is the purpose of this blue indicator.